Hello students, now I am going to start question number 3 of exercise 12.1. Now question number 3 says identify the numerical coefficient of terms other than constant in the following expression. Now what are constant? Constant means a number whose value is fixed, okay, like 4, 5, 1000, 2000 are constant. So here we will have to identify numerical coefficient of terms. Numerical coefficient means we will have to identify the number here, number which is present with the terms. Like here in the first expression we have 5 minus 3t square. Now here 5 is the constant because its value is fixed. So here we will have to identify numerical coefficient of terms other than constant. So we will not consider 5. We will just consider the numerical coefficient of terms. Okay, here this is the term, and with this numerical coefficient is there. Numerical coefficient. Now what do you mean by coefficient? It is usually a number which is present with the variable. Like here variable is t square, and with t square which number is present? It's minus 3. So minus 3 will be the coefficient of the term minus 3t square. Okay. So here at first we will have to write terms. Terms other than constant. Here 5 is the constant. So we won't be considering 5 here. We'll just consider minus 3t square, which is the term present over here. Now the coefficient, the numerical coefficient of this term is minus 3. This is the coefficient because this number is present with the variable. Coefficient is basically a number which is present in the with the variable. Okay, so here the variable is t square, and with t square minus 3 is present. So minus 3 is the coefficient of the term minus 3t square. Okay, now in the second part we have 1 plus t square plus t to the power 3. Here 1 is the constant. So here we will just consider the terms in which coefficient is present. We will not consider the constant here. So constant we will not be considering here, which is 1. So we will just consider numerical coefficient of terms other than constant. So these three, t square and t cube. So what are the numerical coefficient of the term t square and t to the power 3? So the numerical coefficient which is always present before the variable. So here before the variable no digit is present. So if there is no digit, then that means 1 is there, because here t is given one time. That means here 1t is present. The coefficient of term t will be 1. Similarly, with t square, no digit is present, and since t square is present one time, so that means 1 is there with this. So the coefficient of t square will be 1, and coefficient of t cube will be again 1. Okay. Now, in the third part we have x plus 2xy plus 3y. So in these three terms, here we have three terms, right? 1, 2, 3. Three terms are there because we know that plus sign and minus sign separate the terms. So here we have three terms, and here no constant is present. So here we will have to write the terms separately. So x, then we have 2xy and 3y. These are the three terms present over here. Now we will have to find the numerical coefficient, means with this term which number is present, that is only the numerical coefficient. So with x, since x is given one time, so that means coefficient of x will be 1. Okay. Similarly, coefficient of xy, this is the variable part, with coefficient of xy 2 is present. So the coefficient of 2xy will be 2, and the coefficient of 3y will be 3, because with the variable y 3 is present. So these are called numerical coefficient. Numerical means a number, and coefficient means the number which is present with the variable. Okay, now coming to fourth part. In the fourth part we have 100m and 1000m. So at first we will have to write these two terms separately. See, in the second column we will have to write the terms. So we will write the terms at first. It's 100m and 1000n. Now we will have to write the numerical coefficient, means with the variable m which number is present, 100. So always remember, numerical coefficient is always present before the variable. Okay, so variable is m and before m 100 is present, so 100 is the numerical coefficient of the term 100m. Okay, now with 1000, with n means in term 1000n, within which number is present, 1000. So 1000 will be the numerical coefficient of the term 1000n. Okay, now in the fifth part we have minus p square q square plus 7pq. So at first we will have to write the term other than constant. So here no constant is present, so we will write the term which is minus p square q square and 7pq. Now we will have to write the numerical coefficient. Now with p square q square, which digit is present? No digit is present. That means 1 is there, and here in front of this variable minus sign is present, so it's minus 1. The coefficient of minus p square q square will be minus 1. Okay, now coefficient of 7pq, with pq 7 is present, so the coefficient of 7pq will be 7. Okay, now in the sixth part we have 1 plus 2a plus 0.8b. So the two terms are 1.2a and 0.8b. Okay, now with a, which number is present? A is the variable here, and with the variable which number is present? It's 1.2, so 1.2 is the coefficient of 1.2a. Similarly, the coefficient of b will be 0.8, because 0.8 is the number which is present with the variable. So 0.8 is the numerical coefficient of the term 0.8b. Now in the seventh part we have 3.14 r square. So here we have only one term, so we'll write 3.14 r square. Now we will have to write the numerical coefficient. So variable part is r square, and with this variable which number is present? It's 3.14. This is only the numerical coefficient of the term 3.14 r square, so we'll write 3.14. Now in the eighth part we have 2 into l plus b. So at first we will just multiply the binomial with the monomial. Binomial means when we have two terms, and monomial means when we have one term. So at first we will multiply this. So 2 into l is 2l plus 2 into b is 2b. Now we have got the two terms. So we will at first we will write the two terms, which is 2l and 2b. Now we will have to write the numerical coefficient present of the term 2l. So with l, which number is present? It's 2. So 2 is the numerical coefficient of the term 2l. Similarly, with b, which number is present? It's 2. So 2 is the numerical coefficient of the term 2b. Okay, now coming to the last part of this question. The last part we have 0.1y plus 0.001y square. So what are the terms present over here? Here we have two terms, which is 0.1y and 0.001y square. Now we will write the numerical coefficient over here. So with the variable y, which number is present? It's 0.1. So we'll write 0.1, which is the numerical coefficient of the term 0.1y. Similarly, with variable y square, which number is present? It's 0.001. So 0.001 is the numerical coefficient of the term 0.001 y square. Okay, So this way we will have to write down the terms at first other than the constant. Constant means the number which has fixed value, like in this case 5, 1, these are the constant. So other than the constant we will have to identify the terms in which numerical coefficient is present, and numerical coefficient means the number which is present with the variable. So here, excluding the variable part, we have just taken the number. So this was all about question number 3. Thank you, students.